I love it. Is that lisp natural? Have you always said
It's
that?
the braces.
It's the braces.
It's the braces.
It's an adorable delivery you have.
Thank you.
I'm gonna minimize the 72s. It's incredible. How long you been doing stand-up?
I started in January.
Wow.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
Wow. Okay, you're like a reverse David Jolly. You seem younger than You seem younger than 32.
Sunscreen, you know?
Glitter in the hair. She looks 12.
Yeah,
It's the freckles, the glasses, the braces. It's just, I'm an
glasses, the braces. You just love making S noises with those braces.
Oh, yeah.